Hi friends, let's begin drawing Yatta from Dandy's world. I really enjoy drawing Yatta because it looks like a piñata. I usually use a bottle cap to draw the circle since it's handy and always near me on my table, where I usually sit and draw. You can also find something circular and use it to draw Yatta's face. Follow along with me as I draw the hair popping out of Yatta's head. It looks like paper origami, completely made of geometric shapes, with mostly sharp edges instead of curves. Now, I'm drawing Yatta's hat. It resembles a birthday party hat. I'm adding 3 paper-like strings on the right side and 3 on the left side. Now, let's draw the big bangs that fall across her face on both the right and left sides. She looks like Pomni, right? Next, I'm using my 360-degree protractor. I'm using the size 17 circle to draw Yatta's eyes. Don't forget to draw the inner circle as well. Now, moving back to her back hair, it's all slanting. The right side is facing outward to the right, and the left side is facing outward to the left. Wow, what a great discovery! Now, I'm drawing the eyelashes and mouth. She has 3 sharp teeth sticking out of her mouth. I can't see her lower lip, so I'm not drawing it. Next, let's move on to the collar. It's all made of paper-like shapes, like paper cutouts, so draw it carefully. These shapes resemble rectangles, but the middle part looks more like a hexagon. Start from there and complete both sides evenly. Now, let's move on to drawing the hands. In Dandy's world, most of the characters have the same type of hands and torso. Yatta is no exception, the hands and torso follow the same design. However, the legs look different. They resemble paper cutouts, but at the same time, they look like, what should I say? Maybe a sloth's legs? Or perhaps Chewbacca's legs from Star Wars? The big toe is hexagon-shaped, both big toes have this unique shape. So follow along carefully. By the way, I wanted to ask, does using a black pen make it clear for you to follow along? Or would you prefer if I used a black Sharpie or marker? Let me know in the comments. There are paper cutouts on her party hat, hands, and legs. And she has 4 tails, yes, 4 tails. It's so unique. When I checked the fandom and other sources, I couldn't find a reference picture showing the 4 tails, but I know she has them, so I'm drawing them in my own style. So, kindly follow along. Now, she looks kind of like, what's the word? Like someone who wears really big glasses. Autostoppers? Auto streamers? Something like that. Actually, she looks like she's wearing pilot's goggles. But once you color it, it will look really nice, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Now, I'm adding the zigzag design on the legs. Don't forget to do the same zigzag pattern on her hair as well. Now, let's start coloring. I'm using a black gel pen to draw and color the pupils. Next, I'm using a sky blue color. But suddenly, my pen stopped working, so I'm switching to a brush pen in the same sky blue shade. I'm using it to color her hands, hair, neck, collar, party hat, and bangs. Including the face too. The lower half of the face is blue. Now, I'm using my yellow brush pen to add more color. If you ever run out of a particular color, just use whatever you have on hand. Technically, brush pens are meant for calligraphy, but I'm using mine for coloring. Next, I'm using a pink sketch pen to color the toes, tail, hands, body, hat, hair, and the marking on the face. I always follow two great YouTubers who consistently post drawing videos, QT Drawings and Drawing with Itsy. They create their artwork using a tablet, but since I don't have one at the moment, I'm drawing and coloring everything by hand. I hope this video helps you follow along and draw as well. The final step is to use a black marker or sketch pen to outline the drawing. This makes the characters stand out on the white paper, making it look more prominent and polished. See? You can already see the difference. And that's it, Yatta is ready. I hope you can now draw Yatta in your notebook. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.